Central Texas, we're declaring victory on our Battle of the Squash Vine Borer. First time 13 to 15 years. You can see all the links, all the attempts we made below. We picked about 30 zucchinis so far. You can see how massive the plant is. It's just, I have 3 zucchinis in here, from here to here. Maybe I should have put one. And then way in the back, I have some yellow squashes, which are almost impossible to get to. You can see, goes from here down to here. It's binding all the way back there. A few that don't pollinate. They come up every day. No sign of squash vine borer damage. Although it's a little tedious, not too bad to open this up every morning and pollinate. You see, I was out of town. These didn't get pollinated down here. I was out of town for about 3.5 days. And not everybody can do that. It's a lot to ask somebody to help. But I'm satisfied. The zucchini, even when they're larger, have been delicious. Few seeds. First time in a long time I've been able to produce. See, I have some yellow squash over here. Yeah, I'll make them narrower because I don't like opening both sides. I planted these at the same time from seed. The squash, you see there's a bunch of unpollinated ones when I was out of town. Squash certainly grow a lot slower than the zucchini. Fortunately for us, we like zucchini better. Check the next one. You see, I trimmed up a lot of the leaves and branches off. It's just huge. It would come out here 2 feet. It's going all the way to the back. I pulled up the yellow squash because there's no room for them. So you can see a couple of they withered on the vine because you don't fertilize them in the morning. The flowers close up on the females. You can't get to them, but all good. Happy as can be.